All right, so we just finished the lab for lab number five, which is power rule lab. So, what do you think was the hardest or most unclear learning objective from this lab?
I think the hardest I would say was just which parts was it? It was the ones where we had to do the limit definition because it just took like the most time.
Yeah.
Uh, I don't think it was like necessarily like super difficult. It just took the most time out of everything.
I agree. I did. I was introduced to this. I want to say my last math class, but I was taught like a shortcut on how to do it. So I this like longer version of it is new to me. So that's why I was asking Joshua to like clarify his answers on some of them because I was just unsure how on how he got it.
Yeah, so yeah, the doing it by the limit definition, especially for some of these some of the problems we saw where it had multiple terms in it. Doing that via the limit definition will probably be really painful, having to factor all the terms out and then finding where you could factor out that x minus a so you could get rid of it in the denominator, and then using that to substitute an a value to get uh, the derivative via the limit definition. So it's a really good thing that we have this shortcut because otherwise
Exactly.
it would just be a lot of time being wasted trying to factor out, which I'm pretty sure Jedidia, is that how you pronounce your name correctly?
Jedediah, but
Jedidiah.
you
Yeah,
can call me Jedi.
Jedi. Yeah, nice. Um,
I like your name.
yeah, he was really helping me out with finding out some of those how some of those x to the power of fours or x to the power of fives would factor down because that factoring part was another part that was really uh, being like a it wasn't necessarily hard, but like that part was really time consuming and helping us.
Tedious, yeah.
Yeah, tedious, that's the right word. And
And
helping
we
us.
don't do it,
I'm sorry, say that again?
and we don't do it that often.
Yeah, that's true.
It's
We don't do it very
yeah.
often. So it's not really something that comes to us immediately. Whereas I think this moves on to prompt number two. The easiest or most familiar learning objective is I was familiar with the power rule before we did this lab. I'm pretty sure Brittany was too, because she said she was
Yes.
taught something in a previous math class. So like
Yeah.
before, I think this was the case with everyone actually. Before we did everything via the limit definition, we already knew what the answer was gonna be.
Right.
So we were just making sure, okay, if we end up here, we did it right.
Yeah, that
Yeah,
kind
Our
of that kind of helped.
that was helpful.
Yeah, very, very helpful indeed. Otherwise, I think I would have been stuck really badly.
Right.
And we did also use some internet resources with some of those questions because I don't think if it wasn't for like the power rule shortcut and all these other things, I don't think I would have gotten anywhere close to the correct answer for some of those questions.
Exactly.
So with that being said, is there anything about this lab that you still have any questions on or any concerns, any final thoughts? Go ahead.
I think you answered all my questions. I just wonder if, like, on the next calculus test that we're gonna have, will she require us to do the limit definition, or can we just do the power rule? Um, because since it is time consuming, that's something I
Yeah.
wonder about. But yeah, no, I think you answered all my questions. I understand the concept now.
I
That's
think I
good.
just want to do more of the limit definition, Just do a couple more problems.
No, no, man, no, no, no.
How about we put that under wonder, and we just leave that as wonder?
Yes, leave it as one day.
I feel like that would be like a good punishment. It was like, yo, just
That's
do five derivatives. You're not allowed to use any shortcuts. Limit definitions only, and then give them some like problem with 5 different terms.
let's
Hey,
not give her any ideas.
hey,
Right.
if
Don't do that.
if you guys plan on having kids in the future, that sounds like a great punishment.
Oh man.
But yeah, we're slowly approaching the 6 minute mark. I don't think there's anything left. I think we covered everything. I think we all did a really good job. Uh,
How do we
Go ahead.
feel about the connecting for finding our teammates? Because we had an assignment to find your group mates for this.
Yeah, I think
Do we think that
another
went well?
I think another big issue we encountered is Jedi and Brittany. If I remember correctly, you both work 8 to 5 jobs Monday through Friday, right?
Right.
So we do have a very like small, limited window in which we can actually complete this. But I'm really glad that we were able to finally come together and complete it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't think there's
And
anything
sorry that
left.
I was absent.
Oh, go ahead.
I was just gonna say I'm sorry that I was absent for some of our group meet. I did have to pick up my nieces from daycare, and then I live like 30 minutes away, so it took a while to get back home, and it was noisy in the car, so I didn't want to disrupt the meeting.
No, no
But
worries.
next time I'll be more involved.
Yeah, no, that's not an issue. Don't worry.
It's all good. Don't worry about it.
Yeah. As long as we could just knock this out, submit it. I don't care how we do it, as long as we do it.
Yeah.
Right,
Yeah.
right.
I'm gonna end the video here. I think that should be everything. It was good working with you guys.